You will fall in love with this beautiful home the second you drive up. Mature trees, stonewall, and picturesque setting invite you in. Award-winning floor plan allowing you to flow through the house, great for entertaining. Hardwood floors throughout the first and second floor. Chef's kitchen with center island, granite counters and cherry cabinets opens to breakfast area. Family room with gas fireplace and built-in cabinets. Living room with vaulted ceiling and 2 sets of French doors.